উদয় নর। Platoon number 1, NLDEF, led by Platoon Commander SI Commissioner Rajiv Kolita. Platoon number 2, 13 Amphibian Women, Platoon Commander APSI 13 Amphibian Sure Bora. Platoon number 3, Home Guards, Platoon Commander SIP Kostam Ashok Bora. Platoon number 4, Anil Girls College, led by Platoon Commander NCC Srimati Devojani Pagak. Platoon number 5, Naoboisa College, led by Platoon Commander NCC Sri Topon Bora.
Platoon number 6, North Lakhimpur University, NCC, Platoon Commander Sri Mirin Tai. Platoon number 7, LTK College, NCC, Platoon Commander Srimati Suprabhata Sutia. Platoon number 8, Lakhimpur Medical College Hospital, Medical Team, Platoon Commander Sri Jehadha Hamar. Platoon number 9, Assam Civil Defense, Platoon Commander Srimati Janmani Bosubotari. Platoon number 10, Lakhimpur Golf Boys Higher Secondary School, NCC, Platoon Commander Sri Jagat Hoikia.
Platoon number 11, St. Mary's Higher Secondary School, led by Platoon leader Srimati Preeti Chaya Bora.